Solving a compound inequality. In this example, we have the variable in the middle of two different inequality signs. And we are going to solve this the same way that we've solved the ones that have a single inequality. We just have to make sure that any operation that we do is going to apply to all three parts of the inequality. So I'm going to start by adding 8 everywhere. So I'm going to add 8 in the middle. I have to add it on the right, and I also have to add it on the left. So we'll get 12 here, less than 2x, less than or equal to 18. Now I'm going to divide everything by 2. Again, I have to do this to all three spaces. So I'm getting 6 less than x less than or equal to 9. If I want to write my answer in interval notation, I'll have a round parentheses at the 6 and then a square bracket at 9. So this is going to be the set of numbers with an open circle here and a closed circle here and everything in between. Oops. All right, let's look at example B. In example B, I've got variables in all three of the locations in between the inequality signs. So what I want to do is move them all into the middle. So I am going to start by subtracting 3y everywhere. I want to get the variable into the center. So this will give me 0 less than 4 minus 8y, and then I'll have less than 5. Now I'm going to subtract 4 everywhere to move the 4 out of the center. And now, to get the y by itself, I'm going to divide everything by a -8. Because I am dividing by a negative number, I need to switch all of the inequality signs to go in the opposite direction. So for my next line, -4 over -8 is 1/2. I'm going to switch the inequality sign to go the other way. In the center, I'll have y. And then on the right-hand side, I'll have switch the other inequality, and then a -1/8. This is written backwards because now the order is switched. So let's rewrite this. -1/8 is less than y is less than, not equal, is less than 1/2. In interval notation, I have a round parentheses at -1/8 going up to a round parentheses at 1/2. And notice that the order that I've written this now is going from the lower number up to the higher number.